welcome to the mix. And on the mix today we have Dwayne. He's playing a video with Erica, the landlord Erica. And Erica, she's apparently upset about what has been going on with Gracie. She's saying that in this video, the lady that Gracie's taking care of was crying while she was on her platform speaking. So you have to catch this video for yourself to see exactly what took place. In that video, you could hear a lady in the background crying, but I don't know. You go ahead, take a look at it, watch, listen for yourself, and make your own, form your own comments, and let us see, hear what you have to say about this in the comment section. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. Go ahead and listen. Have a great day.
Let's find it. On already? On already? Share the video, guys. Remember, share and like the video. And this one is a versus. This one is going to be a versus, right? A versus means one person against the other, all right? And that's the angle of this live, right? So we're ready for going right now.
How this lady, social media and these people are decent people, you know. You see how we treat the homeless? I give the mental, I give everybody a chance to talk with me. Talk to them, doesn't matter if they smell this video. Talk to them, doesn't matter if they smells, doesn't matter what, I give them some time from myself. No, I want you to listen to this video. How this lady treat this old woman. And this happened on social media, and I have many more. Remember, they are not a liar. Just not forget that. But yet still my house was sold. The money for it was on YouTube. The buyer, they know the buyer, they know everything I did for move out. And they never speak what is not true. Even in this video, you will hear they say it. And you people want to come out and say justice for the homeless. And this woman getting paid to look about this old lady. Listen to this old lady, how she cries for help. Come for this. This is what you people must talk about. Reality, what you know about. You know, all using your fingers against me for the last 2 years and odd. I still don't know nothing. What's in your eyes? You don't see. Because this is in you people eyes. This was happened on social media, and I will not come out. I said nothing when I happened on social media. The video with mother in a dance, wind up in a tights, all bust out slippers. It's on social media. I am only discussing things. Have you ever seen that with my mother? Have you ever seen my mother smoking? Have you ever seen I treat all the people like this? And collecting money to keep them, and this is the way you treat them on camera. This could be one of you, mother, grandmother, and this is the truth, and it is here, and nobody sees it. So no callination as them. I can't believe you people.
Come here.
Couldn't this be one of your mother? Would you like somebody working with your mother and treat them like this?
Alright, done, girl.
I will come out with all this foolishness all the while. When I'm wrong, you're supposed to tell me that I'm wrong. But, come on. Come on. Listen to this video.
Alright, go right now.
Just listen to this
video. We're going right now. Share and like.
Listen.
One hand the ads are play to backside. One hand. Why you want to come Mr. the thing now? Oh, and you lady, I'm watching your ads. I'm watching your ads, alright? So, yes, I'm watching your ads.
Listen. Hello. Hello. It's not about what she's speaking about. Listen to the old lady crying for help. In the background, this is what I am playing. The old lady crying out for help. Listen this. Hold on. Hear that? Listen. Keep it in mind that this is a man problem. It's the same mix-up boss, Damien. When it's married to and bring her son to foreign.
Yeah.
We throw him out the roadside at Jamaica.
Lord.
So this is a man and woman problem. She care got the people them work. You imagine how she deal with that woman for the rest of the day. Listen for herself. It is here on YouTube. It was built here and it is still here.
You'll find Erica pleading to the Nationers to, take a look at what has been done. She's saying that this could have been their mothers or grandmothers, so they should look into things and, see what's happening with the person that Gracie is taking care of. So go ahead and continue to watch the video.
Come here, Nationers. This could be your grandmother. This could be your mother. Come, Nationers, who no got no feelings. This video is 7 minutes and ad, plus the next part is there. Well, me stop with this and then start one next one. All them time the woman a ball straight. And who coming out justice for homeless? Justice for the people them where them not pay you to take care of. Look what this woman been doing to these elderly people, and who we call ourselves Nationers, who no have a style, we say a plank alone bad. Who no come here, who no call Nationers, because I never support these things.
Lord.
Well, not the way they write up justice for homeless. I sit with those people. I treat them like somebody. Everybody see that.
But look at that, what
lady. The not near. The poor woman going.
They're trying to report my video. Go report on the front here. Go and report your fronts. Alright? Yes.
Ball, you see. When I hear not near.
Don't call me in. Not call me in.
And what she been doing?
Not call me name.
It's not that double word, Only other people have that double word. The old lady is there bawling for help. And that, no, it's more important of social media. And the lady and who you help for that or for that. Ladies and gentlemen, please may I beg you a little like them. This is what you call justice.
Like and share.